Hey guys, welcome back to Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So Coach has their Halloween collection out online and it should be in stores soon. They have some super cute purses with ghosts and pumpkins on them. They have some with just pumpkins. And at the end here, I'm going to show you my Halloween purse that I got from the Coach outlet several years ago. So it's probably not going to be where I need another Coach Halloween purse, even though I do like the one with the big pumpkin on it. The one with the ghost and the pumpkin are cute, but I like it when there's a Coach signature background on it. And the pumpkin purse is super cute too. It reminds me of the little heart purse they do in the Valentine's Day season. And I do like the style of this purse, but they don't have it in the pumpkin print. So you notice too, the pumpkin's mouth says Coach on it. So here's a look at the Coach bag I got several years ago. It says Coach and has a bunch of Halloween characters on it. It's super cute and I bring it out every year at this time. I also have a pumpkin change purse.